So we're eating Taco Bell today. We decided to go to Taco Bell today, and we were like, why not do a video just for fun?
Yeah.
And shoot us eating Taco Bell, and also talk about what our favorite food in Taco Bell is, what we like from Taco Bell, and yeah. And today is what? December?
Today is December 29th.
29, you know, like around the holidays. So
Yeah.
okay, so we both got each of us got one 7-layer burrito and one bean burrito. So which one did you start with?
I started with the 7-layer.
7-layer, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'll start with 7-layer too, and we also like get mild sauce because I can't do spicy.
I can't eat spicy either.
Yeah.
So
like,
no.
So we got mild sauce.
Only the mild one is okay.
Yeah, and I'm usually a fast eater, so I can tell you guys that I will finish my food before her. Yeah.
We'll see about that.
So I'm usually like such a fast eater, so we'll see. So enjoy.
You too.
Being messy from the beginning. That's one of the cons of being a fast eater. You make a mess.
But I think like eating fast like comes naturally too. I can't eat like that. If I eat fast like her, I'm gonna be full like in the first 5 minutes.
Oh shoot! I started from the. You know, I usually like to start from the right side because you know, and keep the avocado sauce, avocado side for the end.
Oh yeah.
That's how I like to eat a 7-layer burrito.
Me too, actually.
But I think I started from the, you know, guac side. Not avocado, I mean guac. I started from the guac side.
Yeah. Me too. That's how I like it, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Being a fast eater just comes naturally. Like, it's just in you.
Yeah. It's very good.
I haven't had Tacobell in a very long time.
Yeah, me too.
And usually when you don't have something in a long time, it tastes even better. Because you didn't have it in a long time.
Definitely.
So what's your other favorite food from Taco Bell?
I like bean burrito, so that's my other favorite.
Yeah.
And then besides that, I also like cheesy potato fiesta. That's my other favorite.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. My next favorite is chalupa. You like that one?
That's a good one, yeah.
So what's your favorite?
Exactly the stuff you said.
Oh.
Same as stuff, plus, did you say the pizza?
Oh no,
The
I
pizza.
forgot.
The bean
Mexican pizza.
Mexican pizza, yeah.
That's my favorite too, actually.
That's a really good one. We just do usually like light cheese, and you know, it's really tasty.
I like that. Have you ever tried the quesadilla?
Quesadilla? In Taco Bell? No. Which one was it now? Which one is it? the quesadilla?
One time I got the chicken quesadilla.
It's good or you don't like it?
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like my favorite. Just okay.
I started after her and I'm done already.
You won the first round.
Mm-hmm. Obviously, we know who the winner is. On to the next one.
Yeah, honestly, I can never catch up.
Yeah.
I can.
Guys, now this is the bean burrito. So, yeah, enjoy.
You too.
Okay. And in case you didn't know, we're sisters. We forgot to say that, I guess, at the beginning of the video.
Oh yeah.
In case you couldn't tell based on our looks. I really like the mud sauce, but no other sauce.
It's not like it's spicy. No?
Not too spicy, you know. No, it gives flavor.
I'm finishing on the guac side.
Oh, you started from the right side. Yeah, I would like to finish on the guac side usually. See, I'm done with my bean burrito. She just finished the 7
Well, I said I can't eat it like
I
that.
cannot believe it.
She's 2 packs.
Oh my god.
Like 2 packs.
I can't believe this.
Honestly, I'm not even sure I can finish my bean burrito.
Well,
so-
if you know,
I think I'm
see
full.
this video so far, up to here, if you watched it so far,
like I'm.
let us know in the
Full on.
comments if you're a fast eater, a slow eater,
Oh yeah, I'd like to know.
medium.
Yeah.
Which one are you? And you know, let us know.
Yeah.
It would be interesting to see how many people, you know, eat fast like me or
Mhm.
eat slow like her, or in between.
Yeah. And
I'm
honestly,
done. I can be a winner. I'm the winner here.
You won.
I'm the winner. Finished. See, like I cannot believe it. See how fast I ate the 2 burritos. I should go and play in these.
I think I'm full.
You're joking.
No.
What do you mean you're full? What do you mean you're full? You have to finish. I'm the winner already, but you know you have to finish anyway.
I think I had lunch like late, kind of. Wait, I had lunch. You didn't have lunch. Wait, that's fine.
Yeah, well, I had late breakfast anyway.
Yeah, but that doesn't count. You had breakfast, you skipped lunch, and then you had dinner. I had lunch, so I didn't skip lunch.
Well,
she
guys,
skipped lunch.
I won anyway. So, it shouldn't matter if she finishes or not. Her loss. If she's not finishing her bean burrito.
So let us know if you're a fast eater like her, or if you're. I'm not gonna say I'm a slow eater. I'm like
She's medium.
exactly.
So if you're a fast eater or
Just like
her.
not fast.
Yeah. But let us know.
Yeah.
So, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.